All right, investors, let me show you one cool extension real quick. It's called Stock News and Forecast extension. With this extension, you can check the stock target prices assigned by different investment analysts, see the company news and financial statement estimates that were prepared by top investment analysts. And this information will help you forecast the stock price, investor sentiment, and see where the stock can head. Let me show you real quick how this extension works. First, download this extension from Google Chrome Store. It's called Stock News and Forecast. This is the logo, as you can see. Then you should get your custom API key that you enter inside the extension in the upper panel. And once you enter the API key, you can input the stock ticker. In our example, it's OVV. Just input the stock ticker over here, OVV. Press the show analysis button, and it's now fetching you the news, the most important news that are surrounding the stock. As you can see, the stock is the oil and gas company, and its prices are very sensitive to oil prices, and it's important to monitor what's happening in this industry. You can see the company's recent reports. You can see the earnings call transcript. This is very important. You can know what the management is, how the management is presenting the company in the face of the recent earnings reports, and you can see the questions that different investment analysts and traders are asking the company management. Then another cool feature is the financial statement estimates. Just input the stock ticker and press the show analysis button. And now you see different estimates assigned by different investment analysts. You see the number of analysts that are assigning the revenue forecast, the EPS forecast. Let me choose the quarterly period to reflect the quarterly forecast. This forecast is led till 2027, but let me revert to the most recent forecast till the September 13th of September 2025, till the next company's reporting date. As you can see, the average EPS is 1.08, and 11 analysts were engaged in calculating the earnings per share for the company. And as you can see down here on the graph, the company is expected to report its earnings on July 23rd, and if company reports better than analysts expect, then it may lead to the stock going upwards, and if the company is showing worse than expected data, it can lead to the decline in the stock price. But since this EPS is lower than the company's previous actual EPS, company may still show better than expected EPS given great EPS surprise in the last reporting quarter. So you can definitely see these numbers and definitely make your own forecast where the company will show better than expected earnings or not. Just keep monitoring the news and track this EPS and track this revenue. But if company shows the revenue decline, and if it will show the revenue falling below this line, then it can result in stock going lower. And as you can see from the historical perspective, the company stock can lose in value up to 25%. And that's why if the company shows worse than expected earnings, the company's share price can go 20-25% lower. So you have to be prepared for that. But if you examine the stock graph on the longer term, this high volatility, it smoothes out. So it can be also a good idea for mid-term traders, because fundamentally this stock is a very strong company, fundamentally strong. You can check it by checking my other application, iOS application called the Stocks to Buy, downloaded for the App Store, and input the stock ticker, and you can see whether the company is fundamentally strong or not based on its Petrovsky score, based on its growth potential. But now let me revert back to this extension. And another thing, another cool feature I want to show you is the stock target news. Input the stock ticker over here and hit the show analysis button, and now it shows you the target prices assigned by top investment analysts. You can see the Morgan Stanley company, and that's the name of the investment analyst who assigned the 50 $1 per share the target price, the forecasted target price based on forecasted financial statement and the custom assumptions of this analyst. And based on this target price and the current stock market price of $36.33 per share, the stock still has great upside, great growth potential. As you can see, this is the most recent ratings assigned by top investment analyst. Another rating is 57, another rating is 57.2 by BMO Capital, and another rating is 45, but still it's above the current price, which means that the company is currently undervalued. And don't forget to check my other applications. These are other applications that you can use in your stock research, investment analysis, and your trading. I hope my quick presentation was useful. Again, this application is called Stock News and Forecast. Download it. I will put the link down to this video. Thank you very much for watching and have a wonderful day.